Hop in the back car.
Ethan, hey, remember we brought in the backyardigans Can you tell me where it's at and I'll go get it?
It's upstairs.
Where at?
Remember.
I don't know where.
It's right next to my bed. It's right next to my door that helps me get up to my bed.
I'll go look.
Come on, superheroes. I'm getting on the car.
Help me find a guitar.
I'm riding the motorcycle. But you have to go for me. I want to go by myself, okay? Okay. I'll have to give. I'll have to go.
Fall for
Like,
and stuff like that. Hey, Super E.
I bet you there's a witch behind it.
What? What are you gonna do to me?
107, I bought the
Please, no! Say no! Don't do it! You're destroying my powers!
We just got our old finance.
He destroyed my powers.
I'm going to cut this in half.
You took my wings. He destroyed my powers. I'm helpless.
You are a mean witch.
Ah, my cutie, my little sweetie.
Come back here. Come back. You will never get away. What's up? What's up? Help me.
Come back, my pretty. Oh, right, he took me out.
I'll kill you. Need a knife? Huh, I'll kill you.
Easy on the ears there.
I'll kill you, mean witch.
You just wait. I'll call all the other witches and they'll come back and they'll get you.
No, they won't. I'll get a knife and stab you so you can't. So easy.
I'm done.
Easy. I'll kill you.
I'm done.
If you